In this video, I'm going to show you how to set goals to track performance using ShotsToHole's What If analysis tool. I've compared Demo Player 3 to a score range of 66 to 71, which is tour level, and this golfer wanted to reduce their score under 75. There are a couple of areas that we're going to work on. We've identified short game inside 20 yards as a key area, 80 to 100 yard wedge shots, and 140 to 160 yard shots as our key areas. To set the goal, I'm going to come here and hit the Set Goals button, and then I'm going to set the start date and the duration of this goal. So I'm happy for the goal to start today, and we're going to work on this for 3 months. When I'm happy, I will hit next, and I get a list here of what we're trying to achieve, so it's showing me the sorts of improvements I need. Just over a yard closer here, just under a yard closer there. We're looking for a 3.5, bit more yard improvement there, and near enough to a 4 yard improvement at 140 to 160. Once I'm happy with that, I hit finished, and you can see we get a series of graphs. What will happen is over time these graphs will populate, and you'll see a green line appear which will look a little bit like this, and you'll be able to see the progress of your player. These graphs will automatically update when the round data goes in. So this is how you would set goals from the analysis tool in ShotsToHole. You can also make up your own goals with the ad hoc tool, and there'll be some tutorial videos that will show you how to work this feature as well.